guys, welcome to another vlog. Back in Vegas. So right now I'm actually going to check in the hotel. The hotel. I'm here at the Rio Las Vegas, celebrating my birthday, and just want to have fun and want to enjoy my birthday here in Vegas. So hope you guys enjoy this short vlog of mine, and I'll see you when I check in. Okay, she's a little rude. She doesn't want to get filmed and all that, but that's okay. I got the keys for the room, so just gonna go and crash and probably give you a little room tour before I end this vlog. So I'll see you at the room. Good morning, guys. Sorry about last night. We had a little fun last night, so I didn't get a chance to have you guys explore the room here in Rio. So we're gonna do a little room tour since it's my birthday. So happy birthday to me. Yeah, let's start with the room tour. So well, again, I'm in the room. So this is the bedroom. It's a king size bed. Had a good night in that bedroom last night. That bed, yeah. We have a couch that's super huge, actually. It says that it's meant for 2 people, but this, if you're Filipino, you can fit more people here, that. So they do have a TV right here, good cable, and they have good views out here. So you basically have the view of yeah, Las Vegas. So if you can see right here, I see right there, but you can see like Caesar's Palace and all that. They do have a table and right here. Please excuse my my stuff. So I'm a little messy, that when it comes to that. Let's go right here. So they do have a fridge, which is cool. It's working right there. Sink, pretty good, pretty clean. They also have a closet right here. So they have a safe, but I don't really need a safe to put anything because I don't have that much valuable stuff to actually, place. Here's the bed. Here's the toilet. Let me show you. Toilet. Turn on the light. And all that. So here's the sink, and then here is the shower. So shower's right there. Yeah. So what about? So I'm not really a fan of that. So we're not gonna use that. But what I always say, you get what you pay for. So that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm sorry. I actually missed the iron and then the ironing board. So that's that. Yeah. So this is it. This is the room. Pretty huge, if you ask me. Like, should I say the price that we actually pay for this? Maybe down the description. I'm gonna send a link down. Down below so you guys could actually check out like how to get bookings and all that. I did mine in orbits.com. It's a really good website. I actually downloaded the app. I would suggest you guys do the same because it's a really good app and they offer good prices and all that. So I'm going to shower right now, going to enjoy the day. It is my birthday. So I will catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy this excuse me, room tour, and we'll see you next time. If you like this video though, please subscribe to my channel. It's Going with Al Vlog. Uh, like it, share it if you like it, and then comment down below if you've been to Rio, Las Vegas, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.